The iPhone 17 Air is official, and not only is it looking great, but it's going to have better hardware than we first expected. So Apple have sent out their official teasers that they're calling ore-dropping, and it confirms that the official launch is going to be held on September 9th, which is only just around the corner now. Now, Apple always drop some kind of hint with the teaser, and this time the Apple logo has a heat map type animation, so this is no doubt confirmation of the new vapor chamber. And while we previously thought that this was going to be for the Pro models only, now it's in the teaser, it could well be for the iPhone 17 Air as well, especially considering it's getting the Pro treatment with the chip. Now at the event, we're going to be seeing the Apple Watch Series 11 and an Apple Watch Ultra 3, as well as the SE 3, and of course we'll be seeing all 4 of the new iPhones, including the new iPhone 17 Air. And for anyone that also has an iPad, you need to check out today's video sponsor Paperlike, the screen protector that not only protects your display, but it brings back the feel of writing on real paper. Now the installation is easy and it comes with all of the required tools and instructions for a hassle-free, perfect application. And Paperlike's screen protector features their nanodots technology that includes tiny microbeads to create the perfect amount of friction that creates the feel of writing on real paper while still minimizing wear on your Apple Pencil's tip. And this combined with their anti-glare coating just makes it much more comfortable to write or draw on rather than have that usual slippery tablet feel. Now, whether you like to draw, take notes, or simply use the Apple Pencil frequently, then Paperlike's screen protector is the perfect addition to any iPad. And of course, I've placed the link down in the description below, and you even get 2 screen protectors in the pack, so go ahead and grab yours today. Now back to the iPhone 17 Air, and we've got plenty of confirmations coming in to say that it's going to be powered by the A19 Pro instead of the standard A19, and this would be a good move considering it's only got a single rear camera, so it does need to make up a little somewhere else. And although extremely slim, if it's got the A19 Pro on top of a vapor chamber, we can expect some great performance from it, but of course not as good as the Pro or the Pro Max. Now we also get a 6.6-inch 120Hz display for the first time ever on a non-Pro iPhone. While previous rumors said it wouldn't have Pro Motion, the latest leaks suggest it will be a 120Hz LTPO display, and basically the same panel found on the iPhone 16 Pro models, which is great news. Now the biggest difference to the Air is of course its ultra slim design, which also results in less cameras, but for the iPhone 17 Air we've got a single 24-megapixel selfie camera on the front, and then over on the rear it's a single 48-megapixel primary camera. Now the rear camera module is also different to the standard iPhone 17, and it's got the long bar all the way across, similar to the iPhone 17 Pro's design, and I'm wondering if Apple have made this decision to gain a little bit more space internally while still keeping the design ultra slim. Now of course the main highlight of the Air is its size, and the iPhone 17 Air comes in at just 5.5mm thick. One of the downsides to this will however be in the battery department, and reports state it's going to be a 2800 mAh battery, and while yes it is small, you have to remember there's no space internally for a large battery capacity. We will however get fast charging and Qi 2.2 wireless charging standard, so when you do run out you'll still be able to charge it back up quickly. Now I've created these renders here based on all of the leaked information so far, including these ones in the hand to give you guys a good look at what you can expect from the new iPhone 17 Air. And of course, with launch just around the corner now, it's not going to be long until Apple confirm everything for themselves. But for those of you excited, we're now going to run through the full specs, design and pricing for each model. We can see in a few days time how accurate these leaks were. So hit subscribe now and we'll get right into it. So first up, we've got the standard iPhone 17. With the standard iPhone 17, we get a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display, which for the first time ever is going to be a 120Hz LTPO display. It's coming with a resolution of 1179 by 2556 and protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. We also get a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. We get the new and improved Face ID sensor, which may allow Apple to shrink the size of the dynamic island, and then the selfie camera gets an upgrade to a new 24-megapixel selfie camera, and then over on the rear it's going to be another dual camera setup with a 48-megapixel primary and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide. It's powered by the A19 chipset and comes with 8GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage, and it's powered by a 3600 mAh battery with an upgrade to 45W fast charging, and it's going to come with 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. It will of course ship with iOS 26 and is expected to launch from around $850 in mid-September 2025. Next up, we have the iPhone 17 Air, and this is going to be replacing the Plus model. With the iPhone 17 Air, we get a 6.6-inch Super Retina OLED display. It's coming with a resolution of 1290 by 2796 with a peak brightness of 3000 nits and a 120Hz refresh rate, and it's going to be protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. And the phone is an impressive 5.5mm thick, making it Apple's thinnest iPhone yet. It comes with a 24-megapixel selfie camera on the front inside the dynamic island, and then over on the rear it's just a single 48-megapixel camera. It's powered up by the A19 chipset and comes with 8GB of RAM and up to 512GB storage. It's going to be powered up by a 2800 mAh battery with upgraded fast charging, and it's again going to come with 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. Now it will of course ship with iOS 26 and it's expected to launch from around $950 in mid-September. Now next up we've got the iPhone 17 Pro, and this comes with a 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display. It's coming with a resolution of 1206 by 2622. It's protected by the next-gen ceramic shield, and it's coming with a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. Despite early rumors of an under-display Face ID sensor and no dynamic island, it seems that this isn't going to be the case and it's going to be the same dynamic island as last year. Now the selfie camera is upgraded to a 24-megapixel selfie camera, then over on the rear we've got a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultrawide, a 48-megapixel periscope and of course a LiDAR scanner. It's powered up by the 2nm A19 Pro chipset, and it comes with 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB storage. It's powered up by a 3600 mAh battery with an upgraded 50W fast charge, and it also comes with advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. It will of course ship with iOS 26 and is expected to launch from around $1,050, and again is coming in mid-September. Now finally, we save the best till last, the iPhone 17 Ultra. With the iPhone 17 Ultra, we get a 6.9-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display. It's got a resolution of 1320 by 2868. It's protected by the next-gen ceramic shield, and it also comes with a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. Despite early rumors of an under-display Face ID sensor and no dynamic island, it seems that this isn't going to be the case and it's going to be the same dynamic island as last year. Now the selfie camera in the punch hole is going to be a 24-megapixel selfie camera, then over on the rear we've got a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultrawide camera, a 48-megapixel periscope camera and the LiDAR scanner. It's powered up by the new 2nm A19 Pro chipset, and it comes with 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. It's going to be powered up by a 4700 mAh battery with an upgrade to 50W fast charge, and it also comes with advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. Now it will of course ship with iOS 26 and is expected to launch from around $1,250 in mid-September. So overall, the iPhone 17 Air is looking like an exciting new release from Apple. While previous iPhones in this position, like the Plus or the Mini, have pretty much failed, I think the iPhone 17 Air is actually what's needed to fill that gap. Now it provides a decent display size in a thin and comfortable form factor, and it still packs the A19 Pro chip for all of your processing and AI tasks. And I think there is enough of a reason here for people to upgrade from an older iPhone, and I'm sure the iPhone 17 Air is going to be much more of a success than the Plus or the Mini. Now of course, launch is imminent, so we'll find out 100% confirmations in just a few days, but if anything else does come in the meantime, I'm going to be sharing it straight away, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.